Hi guys! Welcome to the Panda Vlogs. I'm Bianca Magsino, and in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing to you my H&M fall haul. But before we start, I want to share with you my lippy of the day, which is this BLK Cosmetics Creamy All Over Paint in the shade Feeling Peachy. So I just want to do this because I want to use my lipsticks often now. So yeah, let's get started. By the way guys, I didn't buy this on one go. This is a collective haul from the past few weeks. And I waited for one cardigan. That's why it took a while for me to upload this. So let's start first with that one. The only thing that I got online is this cardigan in the color light beige, and I just love the buttons, as you can see, and they don't have this at my local H&M. I love the material. It's not itchy at all. That's why I love this, and it's quite thick, so it's perfect that it's getting cold right now already. And then the next one is this black sweater vest, and if you're following me on Instagram, which you should, I already posted on my stories when I wore this the other day, like last weekend. I got it in the size small because I don't like oversized clothes or like knits because I'll tend to be chunkier, I would say. So I got this in a black one. They also have this in white, and it's really nice, and sweater vests are very trendy right now, so H&M has a few, and this is the one that I got. The next one that I got is this gray Shacket, I believe. So it's like a shirt jacket, and I tried it on and it was super nice because it's so soft on the inside and it's not too hot. And you can definitely layer with this because this run super big. And I got this in the size extra small, and it's only $29.99. And Shackets are very trendy right now, but some are selling them for super expensive. I tried looking at Zara last night and it was hella expensive, so good thing I found this at H&M. And now this is the only jeans or bottom that I'm gonna show you, but it is really worth mentioning. Even though it's not fall, you can still get this. This is called the straight high waist ankle length, and oh my god guys, this is super nice. I get compliments when I wear this, and yesterday I was in the mall and then there's these two girls who asked me where I got my jeans from. The only thing that I don't like about this is the tag on the back. It goes like that when you wash it. I don't know if you can tell, but it's looking like vintagey, which some of you may love, some of you may hate, but I'm just letting you know. I feel like that's because of the heat of the dryer, but anyway, it's so nice. I'll try to put the photo of me wearing it and you'll see how nice it looks, and it makes your bum look nice. I tell you guys, you have to try this one, and it's only $19.99. Yeah, I know the price because my mom just bought one earlier, and also I got this in the color black as well, and I'm trying to get another color because the next one is this light blue cardigan, and the reason that I got this is because of the color. Like, I love the color. I don't know if it's light blue or periwinkle, but I love this so much. I don't have any cardigan that is in this color, and I love light blues or periwinkle, like purple stuff, so I love this so much. My phone keeps on vibrating. I prefer cardigans that has buttons instead of the ones that don't have, basically. So yeah, I love this so much and I can't wait to wear this, and I'm super happy that it's becoming colder. The next one is this cable knit a turtleneck sweater, and I fell in love with the color. That's why I got this, although I haven't worn it yet. But it's a little bit cropped, so make sure you wear high-waisted bottoms with it. And I don't have any chunky or cable knit sweater yet, so this is definitely something that is lacking on my wardrobe. The next one is this corduroy jacket. It looks like white on camera, but it's like cream or light beige. I don't know if you can see that it's corduroy, but as you can see, it has like those lines right there. And I love this because I don't have any corduroy. Like, I only have corduroy shorts, but I don't have any outerwear that's corduroy. It's so pretty, and I feel like it will go with anything. That's why I got this. And I think this was a $30-something, and it has a pocket as well, which I love. And yeah, I got this from Divided, and I got this in the size small because it's oversized as well. The next one that I got is this sweater dress, and I'm pretty sure that I got this on sale, but I'll try to find a similar one or the exact one for you guys. And I got this also in small, and it didn't shrink in the dryer, so it's kind of a bit oversized as well, so just take note of that. Another one from Divided is this white cardigan. It's a little bit cropped, I would say, but it's not too cropped, and it's not super oversized. That's why I got this in the size medium, and I've been looking for a white cardigan because I don't have any white cardigan. So this is the perfect one for me. I believe they had 3 white cardigans, and it was really hard for me to choose, but I decided to go for this one. And the last one for this haul is this long cardigan. I don't know how do you explain this color, but I got this in the size medium, and this is the only long cardigan that I have, and only the one that doesn't have buttons. So I want to wear this with like dress, skirts, or something dressier or girlier, I would say. So yeah. And that is it for my H&M fall haul. Don't forget to click the like button, comment down below your next video suggestions, and comment down what's your favorite item in this haul. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button right beside it so that you'll be notified every time that I post. God bless and stay healthy.